Visit our website to start your Spanish learning journey.
A verb is considered regular if its stem doesn't change in conjugation. For example, escuchar. Escuch is the stem of the verb or raíz. Ar is the ending or terminación. When conjugating this verb, it changes to escucho, escuchas, escucha, escuchamos, escucháis, escuchan. Notice how the stem remains exactly the same in all forms. But if the stem of a verb does change in conjugation, it is considered irregular verb. For example, pensar, which means to think, changes to pienso, piensas, piensa, pensamos, pensáis, piensan. Look how the stem changed in some of the forms when conjugated. There are different kinds of irregularities depending on the letters that change in conjugation. At first, it can be a little difficult since in English there are not that many verb forms. But the richness of Spanish verbs is that they can express lots of information in just one word. Who is doing the action, when, and how?